Namaste students. In our previous lectures we have done chapter 10, that is straight lines. Now let us start new chapter 11, that is conic sections. In this chapter we will study about some curves like circles, parabola, hyperbola and ellipses. Now how are these curves formed? Curves are formed by intersection of a plane with a double napped cone, and these curves are commonly known as conics. Now let us see how are these curves formed. For this, just take a fixed line L. Let L be a fixed vertical line. Another line M is taken. Now L and M are intersecting at a point V. And let alpha be the angle of inclination between L and M. Now we have to rotate this line M around L in such a way that this angle is not changed. Alpha remains same, angle of inclination remains same. Now if this line M is rotated around the fixed line, what we can get? Earlier this line was at this position. Now if we have rotated it in such a way that angle of inclination alpha remains same, then we can come to this position. Now what are the two parts formed? Two cones, upper cone and lower cone. And each part is called nap, upper nap, lower. In this case, L is called axis of the cone. This fixed vertical line is called axis of the cone. Moving line M is called generator. Because of this line, conic section is being formed. Point V is called intersection point, and each part formed by the rotation of this line M around the fixed line L is called nap, upper nap, lower nap. Now by rotating the generator line around the axis, when we have obtained a cone, then there will be some intersection point, this cone and the plane will be having. So what kind of conic section will be obtained? It all depends upon two things. One thing, position of the intersecting plane as compared to the cone, and the angle formed by this intersecting plane. Let this angle be beta. So what kind of conic section will be obtained, whether we will be getting circle, hyperbola, ellipse or parabola, it all depends upon position of the intersecting plane as well as angle formed by this intersecting plane as compared to the cone. When there is intersection between the plane and the nap, what kind of values beta can have? First case, beta, if we take beta comes out to be equal to 90 degrees. That means this axis and the plane are perpendicular to each other. In that case, circle will be formed. So if beta is equal to 90, that angle formed between the intersection plane and the cone, if it is equal to 90 degree, then circle is formed. Second situation, beta can be greater than alpha but less than 90. In this kind of case, beta is formed here and here alpha is formed. In such a situation, ellipse will be formed. In case alpha and beta, both the angles are equal, in that case, parabola will be formed. And suppose we get beta which is greater than or equal to 0 but less than alpha. In that case, hyperbola will be formed. Start studying these conics one by one. First conic I have told you is circle. What is a circle? Definition you have done in class 9th also. Set of all points which are equidistant from a fixed point. And all these points, fixed point as well as these varying points, should lie in the same plane. Set of all points which are equidistant from a fixed point is called circle. Suppose I have taken a fixed point as O and marked various points P1, P2 and so on. All these points are at a fixed distance. Whatever distance of P1, same as the distance of P2. Means you can say OP1 is equal to OP2. equals to OP3, OP4, OP5, OP6, OP7 and so on. So figure obtained by joining all these points is called circle. Now as you know that this fixed point O is called center of the circle, and the points which are equidistant from this fixed point, the distance between this fixed point and these points is called radius. Now how to get equation of circle? What we said, OP is radius, and according to distance formula, if we try to get the value of radius, that will be distance OP. If we take coordinates of center as HK and coordinates of P as XY, then using distance formula, distance between O and P can be obtained as x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and this distance OP is radius. So here we can write radius equals to, and if we take square both sides, squaring both sides, will be getting r square equals to x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. So this relation is called equation of the circle. And in case center is origin, if we take coordinates of point O as 0, 0, center of the circle is lying at the origin. In that case, h and k will be 0. So equation of circle will become center is at origin. Then equation of line will be r square equals to x square plus y square. Equation of circle is x minus h square plus y minus k square is equals to r square radius square. But in case the center of the circle is at origin, in that case coordinates of origin will be 0 and 0. So equation of the circle will become r square equals to x square plus y square. Now let us do some examples related to this. The first example I have taken here, they are saying that find the equation of the circle with center. Center is given -3 and 2 and radius is 4. What we have learned, equation of circle can be written as radius square is equal to x minus h square plus y minus k square. So according to question, what is the value of h? H is -3, k is 2 and radius is 4. So just inserting these values in the equation, we will be getting 4 square is equal to x minus and minus will give plus, then y minus 2. So one of the equations of the circle we have got like this. So this you can say answer. But if we expand this answer, what will we getting? X square, a square plus 2ab will be 6x plus b square will give 9. Then y square minus 4y plus 4. X square plus y square plus 6x minus 4y. Now this 4, 9 and 4, 13 and minus 16, minus 3 is equal to 0. This is another form of the equation of the circle. Now, what has happened? Why this line, this equation has changed to this equation? We can have two forms. Now we have to find the relation between these two forms. About standard form of the equation of the circle, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. After expansion of this equation, we will be getting, using formula a minus b whole square, we will be getting x square minus 2hx plus h square. The expansion of this will give y square minus 2kx plus k square equals to r square. Now rearranging the things, we will be getting x square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2kx plus h square plus k square, and shifting this r to left hand side. Listen, if we put h equals to minus g, k equals to minus f, and h square plus k square minus r square equals to c in this equation, then what will be getting? X square plus y square, instead of minus h, g will come, x square plus y square plus 2gx. Here instead of minus k, f will come, 2fy. Now I have replaced these three, h square plus k square minus r square with c, plus c equals 0. So this is called general form of the equation. Of the equation of the circle. X minus h square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square is standard form of the equation of the circle, and x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is general form of the equation, where center, now what has center become? Earlier center was h and k, here center was h and k. In place of h, minus g has come. In place of k, minus f. So this is general form of the equation of the circle with center as minus g and f, and here we are saying h square plus k square minus r square equal to c. So we just replace the position of r and c. Radius will be equal to h square plus k square minus c. You got it by interchanging the position of c and radius. If we remove the square, value of radius can be obtained by h square plus k square minus c. Now you can get a question like this, where they have given us a general equation of the circle, and they are asking us to find center and the radius. There are two ways of finding center and radius. One thing, first method, if you compare your given equation with general form of the equation that we have learned. This we have learned that this is general equation of the circle. If we compare your given equation with this general form, 2g equals to 8, implied g equals to 4, and negative of g we have learned it is equal to h. So minus g is minus 4, implies h equals to minus 4, and 2f equals to 10 implies f equals to 5, minus of f minus 5, k is equal to minus 5. So we have obtained center of the circle as minus 4 minus 5. Now we have to find radius. For radius we have learned this formula, h square plus k square minus c. What is c? C is equal to minus 8. So radius will come out to be minus 4 square plus minus 5 square plus 8. Just inserting the values of h, k and c. 16 plus 25 plus 8. By adding all these, we will be getting 49. Under root 49 means 7. So what we have obtained? Center of the circle is minus 4 and minus 5, and radius of the circle is 7. Second method we can try converting this general equation to standard form of the equation. For conversion of general equation to standard form, we'll have to make pairs like x terms in one bracket and y terms in other bracket, and this constant number will be shifted there. Now if we use completing the square method and complete this square, what is this? X whole square, 2 into x, 2 into a into b. What is b? b will be 4, 2 4s are 8. Y whole square, 10 means 2 into 5 equals to 8. Now which term is missing? A square, 2ab, b square is missing. So if we complete this, x square 2ab plus b square, it means what we have done addition of 16 b plus y square plus 2y 5. So b is 5. Means if we introduce 5 square. In this bracket, a square plus 2ab b square, and here also a square plus 2ab b square. So what we have added? 4 square and 5 square. The other side also will be adding 4 square and 5 square. This can be written as a plus b whole square plus again a plus b whole square, and here 16 plus 25 plus 8 will give us 49, and 49 can be written as 7 square. If we write it like this, and compare it with standard equation. Standard form of the equation of the circle, and this answer we have got. Just by comparing the two, what will be getting? H equals to minus 5, minus 4. A is equal to minus 5. And r square equal to 7 square means r is equal to 7. So I have told two methods of finding center and radius. You can use any of the methods. In next type of questions, they have given us points from which circle is passing. And center of the circle lies on this equation. We have to find the equation of that circle. We know standard form of the equation as x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. As the circle is passing through these two points. So in first case, if we put 2 minus 2, means x as 2 and y as minus 2 in equation number 1, we will be having 2 minus h whole square plus minus 2 minus k whole square equals to r square. We open it, 4 minus 4h plus x square. If both the signs are same, means if you take out minus, outside will be positive only. So formula of positive will be used. A plus b whole square will be used. 4 plus 4k plus k square equals to r square. So we have obtained x square plus k square minus 4h plus 4k, 4 and 4 8, is equal to r square. Same way, if we put 3 and 4 in this equation, put 3, 4 as x and y in equation number 1. We will be having 3 minus x whole square plus 4 minus k whole square is equal to r square. So we will be having x square minus 6h plus 9, k square minus 8k plus 16 equal to r square. So x square plus k square minus 6h minus 8k, 9 and 16, 25 is equal to r square. That is equation number 2 and equation number 3. If we perform subtraction of second and third equation, subtracting equation 2 from 3. For finding standard equation, what our aim is, we have to find center, means h and k, and radius. So we are proceeding for the same thing. This third equation. From this third equation, if we subtract second equation, changing sign, h square, k square and r square will get cancelled, and we are left with minus 6 plus 4 means minus 2h minus 12k and 17 is equal to 0. So one equation we have got, minus 2h minus 12k plus 17 is equal to 0. Second, they have said that center of the equation lies on the other equation, that is x plus y plus 2. As center lies on x plus y is equal to 2. So we can write it as h plus k is equal to 2. Now if we solve this fourth and fifth equation, solving equation 4 and 5, we will be getting value of h and k. Write this equation 2. We having is minus 2h minus 12k plus 17 is equal to 0. 2h plus 2k minus 4 is equal to 0. position we will be having minus 10k, and here we will be having 13. So k will come out to be 1.3. Now put the value of k. So k is equal to 1.3. Suppose we are putting in equation number 5. We are having h plus 1.3 is equal to 2. So h will come out to 2 minus 1.3 means 0.7. So h and k we have obtained. Therefore, center is equal to 0.7 and 1.3. So center we have obtained. Now putting value of h and k in the very first equation that we have written, 2 minus h whole square plus minus 2 minus k whole square equals to r square. We put in place of h as 0.7 and in place of k we write 1.3. Squaring and adding will be getting the value of r square as 12.58. So generally the standard form of the equation of the circle will be x minus h, that is 0.7 whole square, plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, that is 12.58. So we have obtained standard equation of the